an OEM or a contract manufacturer, we go after providing our own solutions, and it could be all the way through a regulatory solution. It could be a turnkey product for our customers. So the partnership with NAMSA and how they fit in with the development cycle is after we get through, upfront feasibility and prototyping, and then even get in through what we think is a firm bench test, and we're getting the data from a bench standpoint. The next steps are getting it into a model and testing it with our physician or clinician.
We designed a very simple yet pretty effective study where we spent a day in the lab with several people from Heraeus evaluating different catheters, different predicates, and different competitive devices. It all culminated in them Heraeus learning quite a bit about their early stages and things that they need to go back and change before testing again.
I think the best part about what we've experienced is the knowledge you guys bring to the table. Working with Mike Bravo and study we've done in the past, just having his clinical knowledge and working with the docs hand in hand, our clinicians that are coming in, working with them hand in hand and saying, okay, here's where we are, here's where do you want to be, I can get you there.
We got a lot of value out of one day. They learned a lot that they wouldn't on the bench. They obviously still would need some physician feedback, but this was their first iteration of their device. So there is going to be a lot that will change. And so how can we get them some early data in a very cost-effective, quick manner? And that's what we did. And now we're in the planning stages of a next series of studies to take it even further.
Some of the later data we've gotten over our studies has been extremely valuable to us in the sense that we can go to the customer and say, hey, we've tried this in a model, and here's how it performs against the competition or our competitors, our predicate devices, and you can kind of see what the differences are, not only from a performance standpoint on the bench, but in actual use.
I think the value that they got was being able to use our experience with doing studies and working with clients like this at their same stage. Here at NAMSA, we've done that a lot, with a lot of different clients over a lot of years, with a lot of different devices.
So with our partnership with our customers, we also believe in partnerships with our vendors. NAMSA's had a great partnership with us. We feel like we've had a great partnership with them. And they've obviously supplied everything we've needed from a regulatory standpoint to a clinical standpoint to biocompatibility, and the list goes on.